Vinegar is an affordable and easy way to clean and eliminate odors from your dog's bedding. For regular washing, add half a cup of white vinegar or apple cider vinegar to a hot water wash cycle with mild detergent. For stronger odors, use a full cup of vinegar. If the bed does not have removable bedding, fill your bathtub with warm water, detergent, and vinegar, and let it soak for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing and drying. Keep the bedding fresh by washing it every week or two. Remove the bedding and treat any stains with a stain remover before washing. Check the care labels for specific cleaning instructions and choose a hot water wash cycle. Dry the bedding outdoors if possible, or air dry it indoors, making sure to clean the lint trap of the dryer. To keep the bed fresh, use vinegar-based deodorizing spray on a daily basis, avoiding spraying before your dog's rest times.